Moving on to sixth question. A farmer was having a field in the form of parallelogram PQRS. She took any point A on RS and joined it to the points P and Q. In how many parts the field is divided? What are the shape of these parts? If the farmer wants to sow wheat and pulses in equal portions of field separately, how should she do it? Now moving on to solution. Let us consider a PQRS parallelogram which is in the form of field, that is as shown, and he says that she took a point A on RS. Let us assume a point A is taken on RS and later she joined it to P and Q. Let us join AP and AQ. Then it forms a triangle APQ. Now here the triangle formed APB and now here the triangle formed, that is nothing but APB, that is nothing but APQ, and here initially we have a field in the shape of parallelogram, that is PQRS. These both lie about the common base PQ and they also lie about the common parallels, that is PQ and RS. We know that if a triangle and a parallelogram lie about the common base and between the common parallels, area of triangle will be equal to half times area of parallelogram. Therefore here we know area of triangle APB will be half times area of parallelogram PQRS. Therefore, as area of APB is equal to half times area of PQRS, here the area of remaining part in the parallelogram, that is area of PAS plus area of RAQ will be equal to half times area of PQRS. He says that she want to sow the wheat and pulses in equal portions of field separately. How should she do it? So let us divide the parts, that is if pulses are grown in the area of triangle APB, then wheat can be sown in remaining portion, that is in the area of APS and area of AQR. And also similarly, if wheat is grown in APQ area which covers the half of the parallelogram, then pulses can be sown in remaining area, that is area covered under triangle APS and AQR.